Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your domain to Wix. There are two primary methods to achieve this: connecting via name servers or pointing. Connecting via name servers is generally the recommended approach, as it allows Wix to fully manage your domain's DNS settings. Alternatively, pointing your domain lets you keep your DNS records with your current host, which can be useful for specific configurations. We will explore both options in detail to help you choose the best fit for your website. To connect using name servers, first, find your specific Wix name servers in your Wix account's domain section. These typically look like ns1.wixdns.net and ns2.wixdns.net. Next, log into your domain registrar, like GoDaddy or Namecheap, and find the DNS management area. Replace any existing name servers with the two Wix name servers you found. Save these changes. Domain propagation, meaning the update across the internet, can take up to 4. The core of Dune Adventures uses the 2D20 system. When attempting an action, you roll two 20-sided dice, aiming to roll equal to or under your skill's target number. Each success generates momentum, which can be spent to gain advantages or activate special abilities. Conversely, the Game Master can spend threat to introduce complications or activate enemy abilities, creating dynamic and challenging scenarios for your characters. Once you've made your changes, it's important to verify the connection. Head back to your Wix account's domain section to check the status. Remember, domain propagation can take up to 48 hours, so patience is key. If your site isn't live after this period, try clearing your browser's cache. If problems continue, gather screenshots of your domain settings from your registrar and contact Wix customer support. They can provide personalized assistance to ensure your domain is connected smoothly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.